Oh, hey, Big Mama. Hello. Thanks for breakfast. Yeah, you got it. Oh, there you go. I read it, Mama. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay, Mama. You tell him. Lil Mama Rac brings her little four cuties. Oh, they're adorable. Yes, but yours are too, sweetie. Where's your other one at? Oh, it's back there somewhere. Hey, kids. Oh. All right, sweetie. They're just afraid because I have to get you guys a new bowl for yourselves. Oh, there he is. They're over there. They're over there playing by his fence. Yeah, you guys. All right. You enjoy that breakfast, Mom.